Hello, and welcome back to more derivatives with natural logarithms. In this video, we're going to find the derivative of a function that combines a few rules. As you can see here, we have x times the natural log of x to the third plus 1. So that's going to involve a product rule. So just to remember what the product rule is, the derivative of, I guess we'll call it u times v, is the derivative of the first times the second plus the first times the derivative of the second. So what we have here is our first and our second. So the derivative is the derivative of x, which is 1. So I'm just going to actually write that as the derivative of x times the natural log of x to the third plus 1 plus the first times the derivative of the natural log of x to the third plus 1. So now looking at each derivative, the derivative of x, that's a nice simple one, that's 1. So you have 1 times the natural log of x to the third plus 1, and then we have x times, now the derivative of natural log of something, I'm going to write that up here, derivative of natural log of u is 1 over u times u prime, or u prime over u, as we have used a couple times. So derivative of natural log of x to the third plus 1, so we know it's something over x to the third plus 1, and the derivative of x to the third plus 1 is 3x squared. So there's the derivative of that. And now we'll just clean things up a bit here. F prime of x is equal to the natural log of x to the third plus 1 plus, now remember, to pull these two expressions here together, this is really over 1. So we have x to the third, 3x to the third over x to the third plus 1. And that is the derivative of our function. So combining the product rule and the chain rule.